Talented Birds, a guessing game. Do you want to play? Who's got it? Birds are curious creatures with special features. Who's got a beak that dives in for a treat? A seagull. Who's got a neck that dips in for dinner? A swan. Who's got claws that can snap up supper? An eagle. Who's got a big beak and plucks fruit to eat? A toucan. Who's got a big pouch for a big mouth? A pelican. Who's got eyes that can see in the dark? An owl. Who's got eye spots but can't see in the dark? A peacock. Who's got the fluffiest, pinkest feathers? A flamingo. Who's got the strongest, longest legs? An ostrich. Who's got the best songs and sings all day long? A nightingale. Who's got a big splash and goes quack quack? A duck. Who's got no wings that fly but flippers that flap? A penguin. Do you know them all? Let's say them again. A seagull. A swan. An eagle. A toucan. A pelican. An owl. A peacock. A flamingo. An ostrich. A nightingale. A duck. A penguin. You are bird-tastic! The end. If you like reading about birds, it's available on Amazon. Also available in a coloring book. And it comes with a story too. Thank you for watching my video. Please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.